Hey guys, this is Prakash and welcome to Kick Out Chaos. So in this video I'll share my experience with this boAt Airdopes 501 ANC. These buds are available in Amazon at 3,999 rupees. There's so much to talk about these buds. So let's get started. First we'll do the unboxing in a snap. So this is the box we're going to get for this boAt Airdopes 501 ANC. Picture of the case and buds are mentioned on the front. And all the features are mentioned on the back. If you want, you can pause the video and read them. So let's quickly unbox this thing and let's see what we get inside. So you're going to get this case in this type of packaging. Let's pull this out. So this is the case for this boAt Airdopes 501 ANC. See here you have a small button to reset the buds along with the light indicator. And at the back you have the Type-C port. Now let's keep this aside and see what else we get inside. This is a Type-C to Type-A cable used to charge this case, and these are the extra pair of ear tips. These are the warranty card, FAQ card and the user manual. As you can see, the case is a little bulky, so it's not a very pocket friendly design. Fully made up of good quality plastic. You have a button here on the front to reset the buds along with the light indicator, and the Type-C port is at the back, so you can charge the case using this. Now coming to the buds, they are also made of the same material used for the case. And we also have dual microphones on each of these buds. The sensor responsible for the in-ear detection is given on the right earbud. These buds also support touch controls, and the area with the boAt logo is responsible for that. So overall, the build quality of the case and buds is quite impressive. Now I'll give you a glance at all the specifications of this buds. First, they have this Bluetooth 5.2 technology, IPX4 water and sweat resistance, 8mm dynamic drivers on each of these buds, instant wake and pair technology, in-ear detection feature, and dual microphones. And finally, the ENX technology, which improves the mic quality. Along with this, you will also be getting 4 sound modes: normal mode, ANC or active noise cancellation mode, beast mode, and ambient or transparency mode. Of course, good sound quality is very important for these buds. So these buds are housed with 8mm dynamic drivers each. And the vocals are also quite good, but talking about the bass, it's decent, not very punchy, but it's effective. And the mids and lows are also quite remarkable for these buds. And one thing I observed in these buds is when the volume crosses over 80%, I observed some distortion, which is very annoying at this price range. But till 70 to 75% of the volume, everything is perfect and balanced. Now I'll talk about the performance of the 4 sound modes. First is the normal mode. It's just a normal mode, nothing to talk about much. So moving on to the ANC or the active noise cancellation mode, I'm really blown out by this feature. It's so impressive that I didn't expect this much at this price range. So when I switch to this mode, it actually isolates 90% of the environmental noise, which really increases the quality of the sound you're listening to. And next is the beast mode. It may also be called as the low latency mode. Yes, there is some latency, but a minimal one, so which helps a lot for gaming. And next is the ambient or transparency mode. So this is a mixture of the sound you're listening to and the environmental noise. It's like 60% of the sound and 40% of the environmental noise. So this is also impressive. These buds have the touch controls. By single tapping you can play, pause or answer the calls. And to reset calls you have to double tap, and even to switch between the tracks you have to double tap. And by long pressing on the left bud, you can access the voice assistant on your phone, and by long pressing on the right bud, you can switch between the 4 sound modes which I mentioned earlier. Coming to the call quality, these buds have dual microphones on each of them, and they also have this so-called ENX technology which enhances the microphone quality. So now I'll talk through the microphone of these buds so you can get a better understanding of the mic quality.
I'm talking to the microphone of this boAt Airdopes 501 ANC. I feel the microphone quality is good. And you can comment in the comment section about how you feel like about this microphone.
The battery consumption of these buds depends on the sound modes, so I'll be telling you the playtime regarding those. In ANC mode, these buds work for 4 to 4.5 hours. In normal mode, 5 to 5.5 hours. And in beast mode, they work max for 4 hours. The total playtime with the case is 28 hours, and these buds also support the fast charging. So if you charge these buds for 5 minutes, they work for 1 hour. These buds have the Bluetooth 5.2 technology, which makes connectivity flawless. They also have this instant wake and pair technology, so when you open the case, they'll automatically be connected to the last paired device in a snap. And the range is also pretty fine for these buds. Generally TWS earbuds work for 10 meters, but these buds also work for 12 meters. But after that I observed some distortions. So the connectivity and range is also good. These buds are also IPX4 certified, so sweat and water splashes doesn't affect them. So in my opinion, these buds are a perfect blend of all the required features at this price range. So coming to the ratings, for sound quality, I'll be giving 4.6 out of 5. And for call quality, I'll be giving 4.2 out of 5. And for the bass quality, I'll be giving 3.8 out of 5. So if you find this video interesting and informative, please do like the video and a subscribe would be encouraging. So if you have any queries regarding these buds, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section and I'll definitely respond. You're watching Kick Out Chaos and this is Prakash signing off.